Australian Knob. We protested.
And what's their range distribution? And nocturnal?
Yes. Yeah.
And the next one's coming.
Yeah, all sorts of invertebrates.
Right. And they're solitary?
As far as I know, in captivity you generally want to keep them separate just in case they fight.
And can you tell what sex they are?
Difficult. If someone knew a lot more about geckos, then yes. We have a male and female at home. If I'm comparing both of them together, I can tell. The male has larger lumps down near his cloaca.
Right.
Yeah.
And this one is?
This one's a girl.
The female, right.
I think this one's the girl. The girl is bigger than the boy at home.
Is that because of age?
No, they're the same age.
Right.
She could just be a better eater. Just grow quicker. Females might get bigger as well because they lay the eggs, they hold the babies.
Right. And what's their habitat as far as...
They live in all sorts of... they'll live in like Gibber Plains. Stony area, yep.
Do they have burrows or do they just hide under debris?
Under rocks, yep, under logs. Not burrows as such, but they will make holes under things.
So shallow, just shallow,
shallow
dig out a
little dugout kind
yes.
of areas. Yeah.
Right. Oh, it's still on his feet, and he hasn't got them off. I think the back leg on the side.
Yeah, and all his underbelly.
Yes, but he's still got the feet to do it. It's still not quite off the tail, is it? No. So if he doesn't get it all off the feet and the tail,
I'll help him get it off.
if in the wild, that would form like a tourniquet and just
the circulation would get cut off and their toes can fall off.
Right.
But you'll find at home if they don't get it off themselves like this, they'll sit in their water bowl, so it softens it up.
Right.
Yeah. Or if they don't do that, we will put them in warm water and then let that soak in for a little, couple of minutes, and then try and peel it off without hurting them.
Because that skin will be quite tender.
Yeah.
Now, would the colour change over time with his skin? This is fresh.
This is fresh. It'll go a bit more dull, so lighter.
Yes.
Go lighter as he's ready to shed again. And this is brand new, best you'll ever see colour from him.
How frequently would they shed?
Last time he shed was about a month ago. He's only a young one, so he'll get to bigger than my hand. They're one of Australia's biggest geckos.
Yes.
In that I think Australia's biggest. I think they are Australia's in that they're so big and chunky. I just got his glove off.
Yes. Does that tail look like that's cleared now?
What's he doing on his leg? I think he's all done. Is that off his belly?
Yeah, he's moved right away and the skin's left over there.
Yeah, he's done. Nice work, good fella. Yeah.
It's a she.
Good work.
Do you have a name for her?
Beautiful girl. No. You guys can name her if you like.
So obviously she's resting. She's had periods of time where she's just stopped and been extremely still. Now we came in on this after she had taken the head off.
Wasn't very long.
Wasn't very long.
A minute or
So that was a quick part in comparison to some of the rest
come
of
off
the boat.
very quickly. Yeah. Just rubbed her head on the glass and that got the action to get it off.
So that's the thing. She'd have to find something.
Yeah, to rub on.
Looks like she's going to go to sleep now.